Heroin is a highly addictive drug that is a serious problem, especially in the United States. Heroin is collected from morphine, which comes from the seed pod of the opium, Asian poppy plant. Heroin reduces functional or nervous activity. This is a poppy plant.
What's the location of your emergency?
Dr. Spindler calling from 3104 Churchview Drive in Valparaiso. My daughter has no pulse. It's a drug overdose.
Okay.
I need somebody here fast.
Okay, stay on the phone with me.
Jim. I'm trying to get CPR to talk.
Okay. So she's not breathing, no pulse?
No breathing, no pulse.
Okay, you're in Valpo.
Yes, please.
Okay, stay on the phone.
Yes. Come on, baby. Come on.
How old is she?
20.
Is heroin addicting? Tolerance to heroin develops over time. It will take user more heroin to have the same effect as the first, which will lead to physical addiction. How heroin is used. Heroin can be injected, smoked, or snorted. It can be used by people of all ages and lifestyles. Forms of heroin. Heroin in its purest form is usually white powder. Often when it gets dirtier, it varies in color from white to brown. Black tar is heroin in black-brown, and this is a picture of it. This is heroin in its purest form.
Effects of heroin.
Users will feel a euphoric surge or rush, as it is often called. Mouths may become dry and they may begin to nod in and out, and their arms and legs will feel heavy and rubbery. They may experience dulled emotions. The effects of heroin last 3 to 4 hours after dose has been in.
Short-term effects. Fatal overdose.
High risks. Infections such as HIV or AIDS. Long-term risk. Collapsed veins, infection of the heart lining and valves. Liver disease, pulmonary complications including types of pneumonia, overdose. If drug is not continued, the user will feel physical withdrawal, such as restlessness, insomnia, diarrhea, vomiting, cold flashes with goosebumps, kicking movements, and muscle and bone pain. These are some effects of heroin that can easily harm your body.
Withdrawal symptoms peaks at between 40 to 72 hours after the last dose. Sudden withdrawal by heavily dependent users who are in poor health can be fatal.
Drug purity. Street heroin may have additives that fail to dissolve and result in clogging the blood vessels that lead to the lungs, liver, kidneys, or brain. This can cause infection or even death of small patches of cells in vital organs. Treatments for heroin addiction. There is a broad range of treatment options, medications, or behavior therapies. Methadone, buprenorphine, naloxone, and naltrexone. Impact in society and community. One morning I was lying on the street not knowing where I was or how I got there. Heroin, as it is a drug, makes people not themselves. It affects them to do things they would not do. This can bring harm to the environment and cause dangerous risks.
Street names of heroin. Street names: junk, smack, dog food, bun, black tar. For example, does she bun? I think she bunned. Her friends started to bun last week.